Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to share with you how to work the extended single crochet. Let's go. I really love the extended single crochet because it creates a really interesting textured fabric without any sort of complicated stitches. This is not a reversible stitch, so when you work back and forth in rows, you're going to see the front and the back of the stitch, which do not match. For your supplies, you need any weight yarn and a hook that matches. I'm using a bulky weight yarn here and a 6.5 millimeter hook. The extended single crochet is a multiple of 1, so you can chain any number of chains that you would like to get started. Once you have your chains in any multiple of 1, you're going to go ahead and work your turning chain. For this stitch, I prefer a turning chain of 1. If you are a person who does your turning chains really tight, you may find that 2 work better for you. I'm going to go ahead and stick with 1. Then I'm going to skip that first chain and work into my second one. We're going to start off just like a single crochet. So we're going to insert into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we have 2 loops on our hook. This is where it changes. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through just that first loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You're going to work all the way down the chain just like that. Insert into your chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And that's what your first row is going to look like. I love the front of this stitch. It gives kind of a double little V with this V and that V. And I think it's such a cute little texture. To work your second row, you're simply going to work your turning chains, whether that's 1 or 2. Go ahead and flip your work around, insert into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, pull through the first loop, and then through the second loop. And you work that stitch the exact same way, all the way across, back and forth, until you have the fabric you desire. I hope you love and use this simple variation on a single crochet. I would love it if you would like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any other tutorials. Thank you again for joining me today, and happy crafting!